So good afternoon student. In this lecture we are discussing what are the various filters which are to be used for the filtering in the frequency domain. So likewise we already study in the spatial domain. Spatial domain is to be done in two ways, smoothing and the sharpening. And depending upon the smoothing and the sharpening, we use the different filters to enhance any image. In the similar manner, the frequency domain is also done on with respect to the smoothing and the sharpening, and the where are the various filters are to be used for the smoothing and the sharpening to enhance any image by using the discrete Fourier transformation function. So in the smoothing case, we have the filters like the ideal low pass filter, Butterworth low pass, and the Gaussian low pass. In case of sharpening, we have the ideal high pass filter, Butterworth high pass filter, and the Gaussian high pass filter. We will discuss these all filters one by one. So let's start with the smoothing frequency domain filters. The smoothing means blurring an image. So edges and the other sharp transitions of the gray levels of an image contribute significantly to the high frequency content of the Fourier transform. So that the smoothing is achieved in the frequency domain by attenuation a specific range of high frequency component in the transform of a given image. Clear? By increasing the attenuation values, we get with the different range of high frequency, we get the smooth image. So the basic model of the filtering in the frequency domain is the output image that is represented by the function capital G u comma v is equals to the filter function into the input image. So f u comma v is the Fourier transform of the image to be smooth. Next, we have the some of the differences between the low pass and the high pass, because we are taking each of the type of the smoothing and the sharpening with the high pass filters and the low pass filter. So what are the low pass filters? With the low frequencies in the discrete Fourier transformation spectrum corresponding to the image values over smooth areas, while the high frequency correspond to the detailed features such as edges and the noise. Clear? What are the low pass filters? Low pass किसके लिए अप्लाई करते हैं? With for the low frequency values in the DFT spectrum that represents the image values over the smooth areas, while the high frequency correspond to the detailed features like the edges, noise values. For that we use the high pass filter. A filter that suppresses the high frequency but allows the low one is called the low pass filter. Clear? Which is used by expressed by the equation at u comma v. Filter is to be used, then at u comma equation is to be find. We will need to find the at u comma v, which is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi sigma square exponent power minus u square plus v square divide to sigma square. So while a filter that reduces the low frequencies and allow high ones is called the high pass filter. So लो पास में क्या है, हम हाई फ्रिक्वेंसीज को इग्नोर करके लोअर फ्रिक्वेंसीज को यूज़ करते हैं, देन अप्लाई द एनहांसमेंट प्रोसेस वाई high pass filter reduces the low frequencies and allow the high frequencies. So this can be done by the equation high pass filter is equals to 1 divided by 2 pi sigma square into 1 minus e power u square plus v square divided by 2 sigma square. So here the difference is that the equation is multiplied, 1 by 2 pi sigma square is multiplied by 1 minus exponent power. Here the filter is to be the value is to be multiplied with the exponent value directly. So we have differentiate these values like this. This is the simple visualization of a low pass filter. we have the low pass filtering result in the blurring effect. Here this shows the v axis and this shows the u axis, and here we this equation represent, this is the simple visualization of the high pass filter. When we have the values, the filtered images is away from the origin. So we have the high frequencies here, and here we have comprises the, here we have the low frequencies. So with the low pass filters, we have if we talk about the smoothing process, we have the three type: ideal low pass filter, Butterworth low pass filter, and the Gaussian low pass filter, which we will discuss in the next video.